How to get infinite clients as a video editor. Welcome back, video editing superheroes. Ready to attract clients like bees to honey?
Lullaby, lullaby.
In today's video, we'll dive into a topic I know many of you are interested in: how to get infinite clients as a video editor. We'll give you some inspiration from 4 aspects: identifying target customer groups, establishing a professional image, providing quality services, continuous learning and growth. So, let's get started.
Okay, everybody ready?
First up, identify your target customers and fully understand their needs. It's like a mini detective game in the video editing domain. As a video editor, you should fully understand your skills, strengths, and areas of expertise. They are your secret weapons. Now, where's the crime scene? It's the video genre you're most passionate about editing. Monitor market trends like your favorite Netflix show. Always look in for the twists and turns, the gaps and opportunities.
Once you have given up the ghost, nothing, even in the midst of chaos. No!
Look for areas where demand is high, but supply is limited. You can pay more attention to some video sharing platforms such as YouTube, Vimeo, TikTok, etc. Browse popular videos, channels, and content creators in related fields to learn about their creative styles, audiences, and popular video types. And don't forget your nifty cheat sheet. Try to search the platform name plus trends or creator center on Google. Generally, these platforms will have official creative guidance. For example, on TikTok Trends, the website tracks and lists popular topics and trends on TikTok. Creators can learn about the hot topics currently being discussed on social media and create content based on these trends to attract more viewers and engagement. It also provides some insights and advice on successfully creating content on TikTok. The advice includes video creation tips, content strategy, and social media marketing best practices. If you have found your niche market, you can search here by country, region, industry, or keywords, and brand name. You can get the best videos on this topic shortly. Next, let's play dress up. Building a professional image is like playing the superhero in your favorite video game. Here, we provide 3 weapons to reach customers efficiently. The first weapon is third-party platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Ensure your professional page is succinct, professional, and highlights your unique skills and experiences. A captivating headshot and bio can make a powerful first impression. Showcase your diverse video editing skills with a curated portfolio on your homepage. Second weapon is your website. A well-designed web page with a rich portfolio can enhance your professional image and credibility. We recommend WordPress for easy website creation and management. The third weapon is to network with photographers and designers in your industry to share resources and referrals. Remember, superheroes always have sidekicks. Sharing is caring after all. Our third pillar is to deliver quality services, the secret recipe to your Michelin star in video editing. Be the Gordon Ramsay of video editing with professional technical skills, effective communication, and project management skills. In the kitchen of video editing, your ingredients are editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro, and the basic editing principles are your cooking techniques, such as editing rhythm, lens transition, audio processing, etc., to improve the smoothness and audio-visual effect of the video. In addition, chefs can coordinate and manage.
Okay.
Timely delivery of your work shows professionalism and builds trust with your clients, leading to lasting relationships. Also, remember the importance of backing up data throughout your editing process. Data loss is a nightmare that every editor wants to avoid. And finally, always keep your brain appetite up for continuous learning and growth. Stay hungry, stay foolish, said Steve Jobs, and we couldn't agree more. Embrace new tech trends like AI tools and feast on classic books related to editing. Here, we have listed some recommended books. So, buckle up, video editing superheroes. It's time to attract clients like a magnet. And remember, you don't need a cape to be a superhero. Stay tuned for our website, filmora.wondershare.com, and YouTube channel, as we will share more editing tips and get you into the Video Editing Hall of Fame.